Hello and welcome to specialization in plant cells. So we know from our previous topic that animals are not the only organisms that have specialized cells. Plant cells are also specialized and clearly adapted for certain particular jobs. So we're going to look at the different types of plant cells. The first two examples that you've got on this page is the root hair cells of a plant and the photosynthetic cells of the plant. So we'll have to read the four different types of cells, the plant cells, and then you'll understand what are the specialist nature of these plant cells and how have they adapted and what kind of specialization job do they actually do. This is what this topic is about. And you'll also get to see the different structures of different types of plant cells and how they actually relate to their specific functions. Do have a look at the diagrams as well and make note of the various plant cells and what they look like, and have a read of this chapter in detail. And good luck with answering the questions. Like usual, we're going to follow up these questions in our next follow-up class. Thank you.